Pen. Pen. Pandas. Good morning, my pandas. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Welcome back live at it again, pandas. Let's get it. Drop those GMs in the chat. Crimson Demon, good morning. Stone Cold Steve. ... Pandas. Day Trader. I got new vows, looking to pass them all today if I can. Fingers crossed. You could have passed them this morning at 8:30. You could have. Kevin Matt, good morning. Real Henster, good morning. Luis, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Some crazy wild price action overnight. You got a huge gap in the regular trading hours. Large gap. It just basically overnight just retraced this entire move back down. I'm unsure what's going to happen here. Just lots of back and forth. Very choppy here, as you can tell. Very choppy here. Pandas. I mean, our accounts are absolutely killing it. We're up like 5,000 at the least, 6,000 at the highest. We are absolutely killing it right now. And yeah, but because I made like almost 3,000 yesterday, what I have to do is actually get my accounts up to 10K. And that's kind of not a bad thing for me. I don't mind waiting to get to 10K before doing withdrawals. So if you guys don't know, I did a 6 payout challenge, and I got 6 max. I got up to 4 before I busted my accounts. I got 4 max payouts on my accounts. That's $2,750 per account. That means $2,750 times 4. I pulled out $11,000 in my accounts. That's like $11,000 of losing money in your accounts. So sometimes it's good to not request your payouts. You protect your bamboo, but you also take away from your margins. So going up to 10,000, I think is a great idea before withdrawing, especially if my goal is 1 million, right? If your goal is 1 million, then what is 10,000? 10,000 is just 10%. Well, actually, to get to 1 million with these accounts, 10,000 is 20%. We're actually 10% of the way there already. I guess I'll take a failsafe entry long here, but this is wild. This is very wacky price. Lots of back and forth. I almost want to already jump to micros. Already want to jump to micros here. We're going to try to look for a new low here. I think the market wants it. It's had a lot of chances to try. I think it wants a new low. I will take the scalper's stop loss here. No problem. Looking for that new low, for the overnight low, retest the low. I mean, it is pushing down and starting to really push down. I took the outside bar reversal. Might have been my mistake here. Let's see. Okay, anyways, let's trigger the trap. I think it wants this low. I think it wants it. It's good risk reward here. Plenty of times to reverse it back up, but really failed to do so. Let's get a nice push to one side here. We can get it. It looks like we're going to get hit. So the trap fails. Interesting. So we're down 14. The trap fails, which is diabolical here, in my opinion. Absolutely diabolical to fail right there. The fact that the trap fails now, I don't know what's going to happen. Like, I thought we were going to test overnight lows. Failed to get there. Diabolical. Try to get that failsafe entry long, but snaps back up to 20 EMA before pushing down again. First 5 minute orb, maybe breaking to the downside here. Not sure really. I think he wants to test this low, but who knows? Really anything can happen here. Lots of overlapping bars. Clearly can't break above the 20 MA here. Lower high, is it worth it? Better setup waiting for the fail second entry long on a higher time frame. That's a better setup. I usually don't take these lower highs, but this is just really having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA at this point. I'll try here, but we'll see. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Let's see if it turns anything. At a certain point in time, the bears are going to start really feeling confident. The question is when. Could be 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart. You might need to wait for it. But even with this strong bear bar, no follow through. So I'm not sure if we're going to get what we need to get to. I might just keep getting chopped up trying to go in the direction of trend because the pullbacks are just too deep. Yeah, so I got chopped up again. So I'm keep getting chopped up going with trend here, which is frustrating, right? Keep getting chopped up going with trend, which is like really frustrating. Really frustrating. Trying to go with trend and keep getting chopped up. Super frustrating. Alright. Sitting my pause now. I mean, I lost twice in a row. Just sitting my pause. 0-2. I'm down 203, which is whatever. I may just call that a day if I lose 3 in a row. My most important thing today, is to preserve my capital. So like, look, we get a pullback, it takes me out, and then it pushes down. So it's like I'm going with trend, yet it's stopping me out. Super frustrating. It does get the target I want to. Maybe my stop loss is too small. I just don't know any other stop loss I would really hold in this situation. But it was this bar here, the close of this bar, that made the bears finally confident enough just to rush in there and break it down. Unfortunately, it stopped me out twice on the way down. So I'm going with trend, yet getting stopped out, which is super, super frustrating. Went short here, got stopped out. Went short here again, got stopped out. So, and it ended up going down. So it's just like, what can you do about it? What can you do about it? Just gotta watch it go. Let's say good morning, come on, pandas here. Blue Steel, good morning. V1, good morning. Moashi trade, good morning. Take, good morning. If I don't win my next trade, I don't know. I just might end it today. Just preserve my capital, because I just feel like today's already really shenanigans, right? The fact that I just got stopped out 2 times going short with trend, super frustrating, like super duper frustrating. Undershoot, making it difficult to go short here. Right, you already have an undershoot, bad signal bar, but coming off the 20 MA and trend line. So you got a lot of things going against you here on the short. You got the undershoot. It needs to lead to an overshoot. I don't know. I could try here. Or I could just push down really hard. Sure. Second entry short. Why not? The reason why I don't really want to go short because we already made a new low. We already broke the previous, the overnight low. So I didn't want to go short there. Feels like actually long triggers. Just a really strong push down. Probably going to test the previous week's close, in my opinion, at this point. Strong bear move. I mean, terrible signal bar. You got the undershoot, should lead to an overshoot. You made the new low already. Hard to take that short for me. I don't know. I got eyes set on the previous week's close, I guess. I don't know. I could just try this. See what happens. I'm only going to do a 1-to-1. I don't care. If I lose, I lose. Got super strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart. It's thinking getting to the clear key area, which is the previous week's close. If we can't get there, we can't get there. I want to just do a 1-to-1, and I'll get hit, so it's all good. Like the 5-minute super strong bear bar ending on its low, you think it'll have some follow through to get to the key area, but it fails to do so. Instead, it just folds after 2 bear bars in a row. Could be a full-blown reversal here. The fact that we couldn't get followed through could be full-blown reversal. I'm going to look for a reversal, and that'll be my last trade of today. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Going with trends, been failing every single time. Unfortunately. If it goes down now, whatever. I mean, I try to sell it at the super strong bear bar, ending on its low. This has a deep pullback, like more than a 1-to-1 pullback. Yeah, so that 1-to-1 pullback, so sick. So I'm not gonna like risk more than 1-to-1 on my reward. Now what the heck is happening here? I have no clue. Okay. Whatever. It doesn't have to reach here. Full blown reversal probably. Like look at the 5-minute chart. It's just diabolical. Gets folded. I'm looking for a long trade now. Looking for opening reversal here. And this will be my last trade, Pandas. Right, I'm losing going short on the downtrend. I lose going short on the strong bear bar ending on its low. Now it's reversing, folding in fact. I'm just gonna look for a full blown reversal here at this point. Why not? Can't get in though. I need some pullback. I need some reason to jump in here, other than jumping in just long after a couple bull bars. Okay, higher low, maybe enough for me to jump in here. Such a deep pullback and then just pushes down. It's just so stupid. Such a deep pullback and then pushes down. It's so dumb. It's actually so dumb. Such a deep pullback. Multiple bull bars in a row. And then just pushes down. Pushes back down. Big down, big up, big down. Trading range. I don't know. Down 751. I mean, I might just really call it today. I already know today's going to be sloppy, choppy. McFloppy. Mm-hmm. It is what it is. Most likely we'll touch this key area now after this huge pullback. It is what it is. Can't make sense of it, but it is what it is. Okay. It's diabolical. Should be testing this area, but it's not. It's running away from it, in fact. Dang it, missed to move, missed to move. Darn it, Panis. I missed the move. It's Beautiful signal bar coming up for trend line 20 MA. I don't know. I don't know why I would even try this. Big Mama, nah, forget it. Forget Big Mamas. They've been failing every single day. Oh, that Big Mama works out beautifully. Oh, pandas. I'm just so frustrated right now. I may just stop trading because I'm tilted, pandas. I may just stop trading purely because I'm tilted. My mental capital ain't there right now. I'll tell you that much for sure. My mental capital ain't not there. Ain't not there right now. I'm full-blown tilted already. I'm ready to like just go all in on my next trade. Jeez Louise, I don't have entry. It's gone. No entries on this super strong downtrend. I tried to go short so many times and none of them worked. I tried to go short so many times and none of them worked. I'm missing every single move. Went short, short. I went short here, lost. Short here, lost. Short here, lost. I went short 3 times and lost every single time. Crazy is that? On the downtrend, I went short 3 times and lost every single time. How crazy is that? How fun is that, pandas? How much fun can we have today? Woo! Short near my MAs. Hello? Hello? Fail second entry, short. I'm going long. I don't care. I'm looking for full-blown reversal here. I do not care. Oh, that looks like a good short to take, though. Good signal bar. Whatever, we're going for it. We're going for the McNasty here. We're going for the McNasty here.
2,500 tick trap.
Yikes. I don't know if I want to go for the McNasty anymore. Let's go short, huh? That's the name of the game today. Oh!
$2,500 tick
low.
trap.
Beautiful. I know the next time I take a short, I'm going to lose again. I know the next time I go short, it's going to do a super strong... It's going to do a super strong pullback. I know the next time I go short, it's going to do that. Alright, pandas. I'm going short again here. At the close of the 5 minute, I'm going short. I do not care. I do not care. Next time. Next close on the 5 minute chart, I will go short. Whoa! Such a big pullback. I can't even go short on that. Pullback's too big. I can't. I just wanted to go short right here, but they had a deep pullback like 5 seconds before, and they came back down. I was not ready for that, pandas. Oh man, whatever. I'm just. Yeah, this is why stop limit orders suck. Because if you do it wrong, it throws a bajillion errors here. Okay, okay, okay. Not too bad. I missed that trade. I'll take it. Saved by the bell on that one. Saved by slow reflexes on that one. I mean, the name of the game is short. We shall join one time. Deep pullback to the 20 EMA. Terrible signal bar to go short here. Actually, terrible signal bar to go short here. Why do I feel like I'm going to get burned so bad if I go short here on this downtrend? Yeah, 4 bull bars in a row. Cannot go short against that. I just want one. Panda, sorry, I'm so tilted. I missed so many trades. This one is the one that really pissed me off right here. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bull bars in a row. Higher low here. Deep pullback? I don't know. Morning reversal? Can I just go long here? I don't think so. I gotta look for my setup. Feels like I'm just short. If I really want to go long here. This downtrend is very strong right at the open. Very strong downtrend right at the open. Smashes right through the
2,500 tick
previous
trap.
day's low. Feels like I'm just short just to get back to the previous week's close. You can see with this dotted line. The OHLC, the weekly OHLC is very important on Friday because it's the end of the week. I don't know. I want to wait for my setup here. All right, we'll go with 2. I'm gonna lose this trade like 1,000%, but it's all good. Yeah, the moment it entered the trade, it snapped back. Everyone saw it. The moment it entered the trade, snaps back. Get a small pullback here if we can. Get to the previous week's close would be great if we can get there. At least a 1-to-1 would be nice. It looks weak, Pandas. Every time it goes up, it snaps back down. I do not like that price action. Every time it kind of pushes up, it snaps right back down. Do not like that price action. I'll tell you that much. Right, the moment it goes up, it snaps back down. I do not like that price action. Every single bull bar has had a snap back down. I do not like that price action, Pandas. I'm telling you right now, I hate that price action. In fact, I'm probably going to lose this trade because I can see the bulls are weak and the bears are still strong, snapping it back every time it goes up. I can see it, Pandas. I'm coming out break even. I do not like that price action. Every time it goes up, snaps back down. Do not like that. I do not like that. I actually hate that. The fact that when I'm in a long, every time it makes a bull bar, snaps back down. Every single time, snap back down. Here, came back up, snap back down. Here, come back, snap back down. Here, came back up. I do not like that, Pandas. It is what it is. If I miss it, I miss it. It's just not for me. I can see it within the making of the candle that this is still bearish. Failed reversal here. Still could mean a big push down. Probably make a new low here. Retest these lows. Do I want it with a lower high is the question. I'm not sure. Right, I lose this trade if I stayed in. I already lost it. Lower high. I don't know if I could take it with a lower high, but the lower high looks pretty juicy. Fail second entry long. Hidden maybe. I'll take it. But I don't know. Hidden fail second entry long. Could be interesting here, but I typically don't take them. But the fact that this trap fails makes me feel like this is going to push down further. Right? This had a chance to reverse, failed to do so. You just don't take these. It's a hidden fails like entry long. I just don't take them, pandas. If it happens, it happens. If it makes a new low here, it happens. But I just can't take it. I gotta wait for my setup. It's gonna go without me, but it's fine. It's fine. We got a brand new trading week next week. We lose today. We have all next week. It's all good. Just gotta think of the long term. Gotta think of a million. Gotta think of a million. Yeah, so it goes without me. It's the hidden fail second entry. What I mean by the hidden fail second entry, short or long, is it went A, B, C, A, trap. That was a hidden fail second entry. This is tumbling. It's tumbling, 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 tumbling. And I cannot get into it. Just deep pullback. Like I said, when this trap failed, I felt like I had another strong push down in it. Still enough in it to do it. Look at the daily chart. Super strong bull bar. Whew. That's sick. That is sick. Darn it. All good. When you miss an opportunity, it's such a big deal because you just may not know when you're going to get another one. The opportunities are far and short. Ugh. Whatever. Just go first entries every single time until we hit the previous day's low. First entries. Here we go. You make little scalps here. We're just gonna just make new lows every time. I guess we'll scale in once. This could be the final flag as well. I don't know. The 5 minute literally is one leg down. This is still the first leg down from the open. I can't go short here anymore. We just broke the previous candle's high. Previous pivot high. So we broke the pattern. Not making lower lows anymore. Lower highs and lower lows. Okay, I gotta calm down. I gotta just have some amnesia here. No reason to cry over spilt milk. Okay, let's look for next setup. Are we looking for a short trade here? Are we looking for a short trade here right now? I'm not sure. I mean, it's a strong downtrend. But it could just turn to a trading range here. I don't know. We shall see. Now we're back above this pivot low. Breakout retest. I'm going to go for a higher low. Are we going to test the previous day's low? That's the thing. It might act as a magnet. It might get there. Yikes. All right. Fair enough. Breakout retest. Fair enough. Second just short. Possibly okay trade here. Possibly. Whoo! Let's just get it. Let's focus. Stick to the plan. What the freak? We had 10 o'clock news? No idea. Okay, there are obviously some limit orders right here waiting. We have some 10 o'clock news. We're at this limit order now. That was a bit wacky. Failed to really push down here. Well, I guess the little spike down showed us where all the limit orders were. And they were abounding right here. Right on this channel. It's going to bounce off of it. First entry. No clue. Maybe.
2,500
Just a bounce off
tick
the top
trap.
of the channel. Sure, why not? I've seen it before. Big bounce off the channel. Big bounce off the channel here. Second inch is short, but not in a good place. Okay. Lower high, second inch is short. All right, here's my trade. Here's my trade idea. Coming at ya. Fails second entry long. Coming up for top of the channel. Maybe looking for a new high. If not, I like to go short here. If it can't push up here, I like to go short here. See if we can get anything out of this. We're in this trade. Small risk for potentially good reward here. Coming off the top of the channel. It just reverses immediately, showing that this is probably a bad trade when you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Woo! Alright, we got some good movement here so far. I can maybe take my risk off here. I think I'm going to take my risk off here, but maybe I got to hold it. Make that new low, please. Snaps to the downside. Give me a big push down, please.
Target filled.
I don't like whatever's happening there. I don't like that price action. Whatever happened was right there. I do not. Print us! Pandas. Now we are finally up. 4 hundo. Sorry, 3 hundo-ish. Jeez Louise. We finally get there, but man, I did not like that little wiggle at the end. Bouncing out the previous day's low. This could be a big reversal here. I don't know. Whoo! Panel's about to say WTF for the first time? Nah. I don't really cuss. I'm not really a cusser. I don't really cuss like even in my... Well, I do cuss in my mind sometimes. But not even that often. Big mama triggers, but I don't know. Up 291. I mean, I don't know. That was crazy. I don't even love the trade I went into, but couldn't obviously hold it. Had paper pause, but it's just so annoying when before it gets to this area. It's just like so annoying that it has to like shake me out a little bit because I've seen them reverse so hard in situations like this, especially the last 3-4 months. I've seen these reverse before actually hitting these key areas. It's so frustrating. So frustrating. I've seen them reverse super hard. I just didn't want to give up that bamboo. I mean, we were green, so I just took it. All right, keeps pushing down. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to make of this. Keeps pushing down. I guess I go short, but that's a wild. I'm gonna reset because that's a wild. That's a wild, super slippage right there, in my opinion. What is that? It closed here and opened here. Next bar. What kind of slippage is that? I'm gonna reset my historical. Something's weird here. That's crazy slippage. Like if you want to talk about slippage, that is crazy slippage. What am I now? 2 and 4. Yeah, something was weird there. I had to reset my historical to get the correct bars there. That was a little bit strange. It is pushing down though. It is pushing down. Jeez Louise. I mean, I mean, I mean, why not us? Why not us one time? Why not us one time? Every time I try to go short on like a super strong downtrend on the first entries, the moment I enter, I always lose. It's like a guarantee I lose these first entries. Like we had 7 pushes down, and now we had the 8th push down. I just try to jump in, I lose it. It's just like a law. It's the law. Law of the panda. You will always lose when you try to jump in the first entry, no matter what. Look at this nonsense. So stupid. I mean, I was like, how many first entries can we get? And then when I said, all right, let's just try. And then, lo and behold, of course we fail. The moment we try enter, we lose it. Right? It doesn't do the same thing it has done the last 7 times. Of course. Of course. Like, why would it work? Why would it actually work in our favor here? So sick. Super small risk. Let's try. Let's try a big one. Not a big one, I guess. Just 2 contracts. Super small risk here. Okay. My super small risk turns to super big risk. That sucks. All good. I wanted to let the candle finish, and now I'm down 571. I mean, you know what, pandas? Like, I'm like, I'm gonna put it on silent. I don't want to keep yelling into the mic because I'm so frustrated right now. It's gonna be a silent stream, but before I go, don't forget use code BBM 90% off Apex. It's the best deal right now.
$2,500 tick trap. 2500 tick trap.
Target filled.
Hey, sorry, silent stream. I'm just super focused and I'm like super frustrated, so I don't want to keep complaining on the stream. $10, 5 minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
2500
6,
tick
7,
trap.
8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bars, sorry.
Target filled.
$2,500 tick trap.
Target filled. Target filled.
All right, pandas. Okay, I think my my tilt is over. My tilt is over. Goodness gracious, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars, and then we look for a pullback. That's what Al Brooks says.
2,500 tick trap.
This is why I was looking for that pullback at this time. That's what I look for here. Failed. I look for again here. Ends up breaking out now to test the previous day's low. It could be a lot stronger than this. We'll see. Goodness gracious, pandas. I was tilted out of my cabeza. It was absolutely insane how tilted I was. Goodness gracious, pandas. Why? Why was I so tilted? Goodness gracious. Just chilling. Just watching. This could fly. We had 10 pushes down, 10 bear bars in a row. Most likely a little bit of follow through, but geez. I guess really just bounced off this previous. This previous pivot, the lowest pivot before the huge breakout here, or after the huge breakout. It's a big spike in channel essentially. Huge push up. I should have held that. I should have held one for a runner. I didn't like the fact that I was a little bit I was a little bit. I was like red, and then I turned green. I was like, let me just protect some green here. So I got a little early. I do have a setup here. Fail second entry short on the 2,500 tick, but I may not even get this. I could try first entries. We can try first entries. First entries until they fail. We can try that. First entries until they fail. And lo and behold, the first entry I enter fails. Of course. Of course, when I try to get first entries, it fails the first time. One day, pandas, I will jump in a first entry and keep adding onto my position for the first entries, and it's going to be glorious. It will be absolutely glorious. I'll tell you that much.
2,500 tick trap.
Big bounce back down to, a big pullback back to the 20 MA here. Jeez Louise, what is this nonsense here? It's a bit wacky.
2,500 tick trap.
Is actually a bit wacky, this trade. We're gonna go for it anyways. It's a second entry. Okay. We're gonna try. We're gonna try with 4. Let's try for a big one here, pandas. We got a big one setting up here. Second entry. It looks a little bearish to me, right? Keeps like snapping back down. I kind of don't like that. We're in this trade. Are we? It's gonna go without us. Okay, we're in this trade. Small risk here. Potential good reward. Let's see if we can get something nice here. Yeah, we get crushed. I can't risk any more in this. It's a big trade, 4 contracts. I'm not gonna risk any more in this. I mean, this is the risk you should take anyways. But I was hoping it would trigger the fail second entry short on the 2,500 tick. It's failing to do so. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Might be the end of it. I'm dead. Okay, I tried. I really tried to take an opportunity when I saw one. No opportunity here. I guess I'll try again. It's crazy. Guess I'll try again. Whatever. Just 2, I guess. Whatever. I can take more. Super small risk now. Okay. Got hit again. Keep trying to go long here. Getting destroyed.
2,500 tick
Getting
trap.
actually crushed here. 4 pushes down. Last try, pandas. It looks extremely bearish. I don't know why I'm trying to go long here right now. Yeah, okay. No wonder. No wonder it wasn't breaking out. It had planned to reverse. I mean, probably follow through on the super strong bear trend here. Ah! All right, silent stream. Sorry, gotta focus again. So frustrating. Panda, something's weird right now. I can't trade my TPT accounts. Huh. Not sure why. Cannot trade my TPT accounts right now. Not sure why. Huh. I mean, this keeps going up and up and up. I don't even know how to draw this, but it's some sort of channel here. That's gonna play out. I guess this is my best play right now. That's my best play. It's just trickling upwards. Is this not my best play right now? I guess. Limit order buys. It's been limit order buying all the way up here. If this one wants to reverse right here, then it is what it is. Chances are reversals fail. Or breakdowns fail, and this is your better shot. I could have timed it wrong here. Who knows? It's looking sus. Yeah, pops up, pops right back down.
Target filled.
Yeah, let's come out break even, whatever. I mean, it's whatever.
Five-minute trap.
Fail second entry long will be a good trade here. A fail second entry long will be a good trade here, in my opinion. Breaker trend new high. It might be too good. Like, it might not even set up. Yeah, it might break down before it even triggers are set up. We'll wait, though. We'll wait very patiently. Fills a gap. Yeah, it's going to go without us. I may just want to jump in here after a strong bear bar. I may just want to jump in after a strong bear bar. Yeah, just, wow. The moment I enter, it just snaps back up. You gotta love that. Wow, snaps like super high back up. You gotta absolutely love that because
2500 tick trap.
I was looking for the fail second entry short, and I thought it wouldn't give it to us and go down without us. But instead, snaps up so hard, breaks my neck here. I don't know if I want to hold this any more than this high. Jeez Louise. I mean, how high am I willing to hold this? I wanted my setup, didn't get it. I guess you can absolutely say it's dead right here. Perhaps last trade of the stream because I'm just lost. I'm dizzy here. I'm like doing like stuff, nonsense stuff now. Yeah, I should have waited, I guess. I don't know. Every time I wait, I always miss it. Every time I don't wait, I miss it. Sayonara, I guess. Jeez, huge push back up. Second entry long, I guess, works out beautifully here. I mean, I guess uptrend till the day we die. No longer interested in this move. I mean, if it breaks this high, that's it. We're dead. Jeez, pandas. Silent stream, I'm pissed off.
2500 tick trap.
All right, this is it. If this doesn't work, pandas, I mean, that's it. That's it. This is the one. If this don't work, I don't know what will work. If this don't work, I don't know what will work.
Target filled.
Just protecting some profits here. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not sure if this support will protect this. It looks like it is. I mean, strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart, but we're in pure shenanigans price action right now. So what can we do? We got one runner. Hopefully, it will run us to at least the lows. We'll see. We'll let it run. We'll take it out every pivot. Yeah, this support seems very strong. Every time it gets near it, it just gets bought up. I thought we could really push down here, especially with a super strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. I could try to let this cook, but no reason to at this point. We'll just let it play. All right. Just let it play out. Having a hard time breaking down here. Really hard time breaking down here. Whatever. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. It's the name of the game. It's taking a sweet time, though, I'll tell you that much. It's taking a sweet time to really push down here. Hard time breaking the previous candle's low here. Hard time breaking the previous pivot low. If it snaps back up here, I may just get out. All right. It could not break this low yet. Technically, my stop loss should still be up here. I'm assuming it's going to break the low. But if it doesn't, I'm going to have to move this, unfortunately. All right, it does. So we're good. We're just taking every pivot. We're lowering every pivot, hopefully making lower highs and lower lows every time. And that's what's going to help us make some bamboo today. I feel like I'm going to get stopped out here, but who knows, pandas? Let's see. Let's see, pandas. What can happen? I'd love to see it. Another push down here, but I doubt we'll get it. Things have not been that easy, that's why. Today, things have not been that easy. Lower high, all right. Salvaging a little more bamboo here. Big push down. Oh, maybe I should have took it right there. I don't know. I mean, we're still pushing down. Still pushing down. Is that it? Is that all you got? Lower highs, lower lows. Well, we're just running this. Either I get stopped out or it just hits this like miracle runner. Wow. All right. Snaps back up. It keeps making new lows. Every time it makes new lows, I'm just bringing my stop loss to the previous pivot high. And this is where I die. All good. I tried my best. I tried my best, pandas. I really did. Can you give me one more strong push to the downside? Like one more just like burst to the downside would be great. Let's get me here. Get me right here.
Target filled.
Pandas! Easy peasy. I mean, pandas. I said if this didn't work, I don't know what will, and sure did work very well. Goodness gracious, it worked beautifully. Pretty much a break-even day today. We're up like $100. Whoopie-doo. Whoopie-doo. Up $100 here. Oh, I went for the new low, huh? I like... Wow. They did make a new low. Very cool. I mean, it is what it is. Just took it. Oh, jeez Louise. I was down 1,600, now I'm up 136. Jeez. Goodness gracious. What a day already. I don't know. I might be done for today. I mean, we're already past our stream. Something weird happening with my TPT accounts. I can't trade them for some reason. It keeps giving me a warning that I'm reaching some sort of limit or something. Maybe the limit's gone now. So I got you short. I still would be making more bamboo if I just kept the lower high. I could have made more bamboo, but I got too early. Jeez Louise. I mean, I'm expecting trading range at this point. At the end, 5 minutes, second entry short, right? That's why I really like that trade. It was a second entry short on the 5-minute chart, triggered by this trap right here after the 240 SMA touch, a failed breakout of the previous resistance, which was the previous day's low. I'm done. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, it was giving me some errors on TPT. It's kind of annoying. Every time I set up an order, it would give me errors saying that it hit like some kind of rate limit. So I just like was like, what? What is this rate limit thing? So I couldn't even trade my TPT accounts. I guess you really don't know how far down it can go. You know what? You know what's kind of funny here? It's actually a fail second entry long right now. That's kind of scary. 2 bear bars now in the weekly chart. The last time we had 2 bear bars in a row in the weekly chart was right here. And that caused this huge down move. 2 bear bars in the weekly chart. Before that, it was right here. It kind of had to push back up before it pushed back down. 2 bear bars right here. 2 bear bars right here. With some follow through. Huh. Second edge is short here. Do I like it? I don't know. It seems confusing to me. Seems like we might turn to a trading range now, but who knows? I could look for a reversal here. It's not the worst reversal, right? Because we made a new low already. Not the worst reversal idea, but I mean, you're in a strong downtrend, so you reversing a downtrend in general is just bad probability here. It's a good signal bar to try. Snaps up the moment it triggers. Every time I enter a trade, it snaps back up like that. It never comes back down. But if I don't enter it, it snaps back up. It always comes back down. This is crazy. Second entry short, I mean, it might work out, whatever. I mean, strong downtrend, good signal bar. Why not? Kicks and giggles here? Nah, we're beneath the 20 MA. Way beneath the 20 MA here. Kicks and giggles actually doesn't look too bad. Kicks and giggles looks pretty good if I took that. Could be a mean reversal here. I mean, just for a trading range, right? Because we had a big up, big down type situation now. We had this like nonsense here. Big up, big down. Could turn to a big trading range at the moment. V1, how much are you up, Panda? Yeah, it doesn't allow you move your buy and stop. Gotta do it in dashboard until it resets again? Oh, if you get stopped out too much. Whoops. I guess it's basically telling me I'm a bad trader. Well, because of that, I couldn't make up the bamboo with that trade. Jeez, so stupid. How much are you up, Panda? I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. It's on the bottom right of the screen. It's getting a little sus. Right, this is sus. This whole down move was sus. All of this is sus. This was sus. This is all sus. Alright, it's starting to get sus in this area, which means that's to me it's like ringing some alarms saying that we may turn to a trading range soon. Lots of overlapping bars, not clean moves, lots of retracements. Are we done making lows of day? I don't know. Probably not. We have not yet touched the 5-minute 20 EMA, which is a big area we need to test. 99.99999% chance we'll touch it. When I say 99.9999%, I really mean that because there was a day we did not touch the 20 EMA. There was like one day out of 40 years. It didn't touch the 20 EMA. Lower high. I mean, sure, it's gonna keep going down. Why not? It just feels more trading rangey at the moment. Feels a little scary to go short here, but okay. That's gonna pop down. So if I kept with my strategy to keep lowering my stop loss at the previous pivot high, I would have got stopped out right here. So I actually made a little more bamboo than I would have. Yeah, that's why it's a little scared to go short here. When we're showing price action trading range, price trading range price action, you got to be a little bit careful here. Especially when you get big up, big down. Why 20 EMA, not 21? Because that's what Albrooks uses. Albrooks is 20. The thing is, like, I don't think the price action is gonna get any easier from here on out. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if it's gonna get any easier from here on out. Big bounce back up. I could look for a reversal here, but honestly, I'd rather just go short right here. I'd rather go short at every pivot. Maybe long, actually. I might go long back to the top from here on out for limit orders. We kind of did everything we needed to do on the 5-minute. Big push down and follow through with a new low. Right? We did everything we needed to do for at least one solid downtrend. It can keep going down, but it has full ability to reverse back up here. Okay. Just snaps off the 20 MA. The 2500 tick. Creates an expanding pattern right now. Like, I just don't think it's going to get easier from here, Pandas. I'm not sure if it'll get any easier. We basically had a scratch day today. Just, I mean, hey, we're green. Green is green, right, Pandas? I mean, green is green. We're up 136. I'm in payout city on all my accounts. Is that too much to complain about? We're easily within our $200 right a day range. Right, this is my 9th day trading, I believe. No, it's 10th day trading. It's a 10th day on these accounts, and 10 days, you know, plus the times 200 is 2,000. That's where I should be. But I'm up 5,000. So I'm like doubling the rate right now of getting $1 million. I'm at the rate of like a $2.5 million a year. So nothing to, like, honestly, not too shabby if you ask me. Not too shabby at all. Feels like I just short here. Interesting. I don't know if I like it though. Trading range, I guess I could try, but it's looking really ugly. In fact, it just 4 overlapping bars in a row. Coming off the top of a wedge. Do I really want to go long here? Not really, but we can try. We can pray. We can try and pray. It's a great strategy. Completely overlapping bars. This is the worst setup ever. You get 5 overlapping bars in a row like this. You usually just sit on your paws and just be happy. Alright, whatever. It's too many overlapping bars. There's 5 overlapping bars. Like, and when I say overlapping, they're like completely overlapping. In fact, the last bar ends up being a doji bar. So sick. So sick. Trap trade after 6 overlapping bars in a row. No, thank you. Every overlapping bar, your probability lowers to 50-50. Because it's very uncertain. And this is a lot of overlapping bars. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, if you enter this trade and you lose it, you have no one to blame but yourself. Like, you just trade into 8 overlapping bars. Your best bet is actually to go short here and long down here. That's your best bet with like 10 points. It's a showing bull bar. Okay, I'm gonna try to go long here. Trap fails. Like I said, you really have no one to blame but yourself. And it might be like one of those traps that like take you out and then goes up the way you want it to go type situations. Happens all the time in these situations. Happens all the time when you get like 5 bajillion overlapping bars in a row. Comes back up. Cool. No clue. Whatever happens, happens. Not sure. We're going to try a wacky thing here. Limit order. I never do this, but we're going to try it anyways. Bounces off the 20 EMA. Like, really perfectly. Not sure if it means anything. Jeez. I mean, the market's chopped. The market turned to complete chop. I just think you should like walk away for like 2 hours and come back because who knows how long this can last for. Like I said, the price action started to get very sketchy, very sus. Like sus here, lots of overlapping bars, super sus here, 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 super sus here. I mean, the market is just like almost, it's more sus than not sus. Let's just say that. More times it's been confusing than clear. If you take the trap, it actually works out for you nicely. The higher low. I wanted to buy with a limit order, but I thought we had to break the low here before really pushing up. 2 bull bars in a row. Hey, should I go long here? Too late. I think I said on my pause. I don't really love anything here. All sus, no muss. All sus, no crust. Okay. Bouncing out the 240 SMA. Unsurprising. This was probably the dumbest trade I took today. It's going short right there. I knew it was gonna go down at some point in time, but the timing has just been incredibly off. Long. Then you try to go short, then short on the big one here. Fails second short. Do I like it? Not really. Not really. Not at all. Outside bar reversal. Jeez. Could explode here, but who knows? Outside bar reversal right at the 240 SMA. Notice the 240 SMA is where we bounced off previously. And it's been a long time since we touched it. Last time was here. And then the first test of 240 SMA, guess what? We crashed. Now we're ripping through it. I mean, like I said, trading range indicator on the 5-minute chart also revealing trading range clearly here. Probably get back to the 20 EMA at this point. Two strong bull bars. Maybe I just go long here on the 5-minute chart. I usually don't like doing it, but seems like it would work out. Seems like it'll work out if I just went long on the 5-minute chart right now. Problem is your risk is humongous. It's huge. It's so big. It's huge. Okay. Obviously continue to go up. We retrace this entire move down, creating a trading range. Like I said, big down, big up, big down. And this is trading range price action. Lots of overlapping bars is why I was expecting us to be, show some shenanigans and come right back up. Jay Baby says, bye-bye. You got to teach me. I'm always losing. Honestly, Al Brooks, read his course. If you're serious enough, get through it. If not, watch my channel. Watch me lose a bunch of money. Watch me make a bunch of money. Right now, we're on good pace, though. Like, we're trying to make $1 million. Right? Our goal is $1 million, pandas. That's our goal. $1 million payouts. Did I break the negative 30% consistency rule? I think I might have, because I was down 1,600 and I was only up like 5K. Darn it, pandas! I think I broke the negative 30% consistency rule. That means when I request a payout, I'm gonna get denied the first time. It's all good though. You gotta just trade 8 days. It's fine. It'll help me build up my accounts. $240 SMA, still acting like a small resistance here. I think we have room to keep going up a little bit more. Sitting on my pause though. I'm not sure. I mean, first, it's a fail second entry short here. If we got a second entry long, maybe more interesting. At least coming off the 20 MA. But we don't even get off the 20 MA here. It's a terrible signal bar. It is an uptrend, and it does come off our trend line at least. So you got those two things. You got trend line and the uptrend. I guess the best trade would have just been limit order. Just buy the limit order there. Second entry long, perhaps. I think I'm a buyer here with a second entry. Coming off our trend line and 20 EMA if we can get it. Right now, it's just like doodle-daddly. Doing absolutely nothing. Really doing absolutely nothing here. We do get the second pullback, which means we got our second entry set up here. Do I love this trade? Absolutely not. I really don't. I actually really don't like this trade at all. For that reason, I'll just go with one contract. Second entry long, coming out for trend line, uptrend. Dumb trade if you ask me, but it's the best we got right now. Okay. I'll try here. This is really sus now. Wow, interesting. I mean, when your 2500 tick chart looks like this, you're thinking it's going to break the low. Wow. And your 5 minute looking like this bear bar, you think it'll break the low. Wow. Didn't want to go long there because of that. It's all good. I had to just see it. I just wanted to see what happened. But that is crazy. Like, it really showed it was going to break the previous candle's low with the price action, but apparently not. It was showing it, but didn't do it. This market teases you all the time. Gets bamboozled. Every day getting bamboozled. That's the name of the game. Yikes. What the freak? Look at this. What the freak is happening? It's crazy. Whatever. Very confusing. I still think we have room to go up because of 5 minute. We're still showing trading range, and the trading range looks like this. We still have some room to get up here. Solid 20 some points still. Okay. It really fails to push. There it is. Okay. I mean, it's an ugly one. It's an ugly one. What can I say? It's an ugly one. Super duper ugly. Yikes. Wow, so disgusting. I mean, this is as ugly as you can get. Yeah. Huh. I'm going to get crushed here, aren't I? It's like trading in overlapping bars. I'm just trading in complete overlapping bars right now. Aren't I? There it is. That took forever, pandas. I really wanted something like that to happen. I really wanted that to happen. Because it was showing it on the 2500 tick chart. When you see this, you're thinking it's probably going to break the low. And it goes all the way back up, almost breaks the high, then breaks the low. Crazy. 5 minute as well. When you see this, you're like, oh, it looks like it's going to break the low. And then it goes all the way back up and then breaks the low finally. Just very weird. I guess. May have something here. But I do not know. We'll go one contract's an ugly signal bar, but I don't know. Do I reverse it to go down? I don't think so. Do I reverse this to go down? Do I reverse this? I don't think so. Just let it play out.
2500 tick trap.
It's a long ways to go. It's just a second entry long. Third entry long, actually. Okay. Okay. I thought we had something there. I thought we had something special, pandas. I thought we had something special. I thought we surely had something special, pandas. Bull bar hitting on its high, near its high. Some follow through, please, without retracement. Please. One time. No retracement. One time. Please. Please. Pandas. Look what we have here. Pandas. Look what we have here. Whoa, ah! Pandas. What is this? Come on. Don't do that to me. Come on, one time. Don't do that to me. One time. Give me a blast up. No. Don't even think about it. Don't do it. Don't give me that retracement. Come on. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. Darn it. Oh, I knew it. And it's going to bounce all the way back up. I'm calling it right now. It's going to bounce all the way back up. And it's going to break out now. I'm calling it right now. It's going to just bounce all. It's going to tick shot me. And it's going to fly into outer space now. I know it. 100% I know it. I got to try. I got to jump in here again. I got to jump in heavy. Somewhat heavy here. Goodness gracious. I knew it. I knew it was going to stop me out, and then it's going to go the way I want it to go. I know it's going to do that. It always does that. Ooh, this is very overlapping here, though. All right, we're in a couple contracts here. Let's see. Can we get a little bamboozies? Bambooskies. I love some bambooskies here. A little bit of bambooskies. Please, just a little bit of bambooskies. Come on. A little bit more. Pull bar. Doesn't do anything, just get stuck. Retraces. Alright, do what you will. Retrace if you want. I could care less. I want you to pop up here, though, if you can. I think I want the 5 minute to finish here. I kind of want the 5 minute candle to finish here. Is it crazy to think I want the 5 minute candle to finish? Ooh, it's scary. Oh, I'm so scared. Get me out of here.
Target filled.
Ah!
Filled.
Oh, anyways, I would have retraced. It would have retraced and taken me out break even regardless. Woo, I can't hold my hands. My palms are sweaty. Mom, spaghetti. My sweater already, you know, pandas. My goodness. I can't hold it. I can't hold what I believe in. My belief is too weak. My faith is too weak. Now it's blasting off again. Pandas! It's okay. I'm gonna just toss this day as a break-even day, and it's just one of those days. You know what I mean, pandas? I'm gonna toss it up as a break-even day. I mean, we're up 206. We're still in payout city. You know what I mean? We're still in payout city. I take it. I'll take that any day. Still in payout city. I gotta buy here. I have to buy here, pandas. I'm sorry, I have to buy here. I just have to try. I have to buy here. We're gonna risk big time here. We're gonna risk a big time here. Hopefully, we don't have to risk too much. We got strong bull bar ending on its high, near target. Do I just hold? 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 Hold! 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 Push! Push! Give me 10 points! That's all I ask for! $10! Please! That's all I want. It's 10 points, please. Please. 10 points, please.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Pandas, what did I say? What did I say? I knew it was going to stop me out and it was going to blast off afterwards. I knew it was going to do that. I knew the shadow of a doubt was going to do that. It was literally going to tap me out, tick shot me, and then blast off. I knew it. Without a shadow of a doubt, I knew it was going to do it. I knew it. Easy peasy. Now we're at 416, the highest we've been today. Not too shabby, if you ask me. I mean, especially when the market looks like this. Absolute trash. Trash lord right here. Absolute trash lord right here. I mean, especially when the market looks like this. Absolute trash lord. What do you expect, pandas? What do you expect? Absolute trash lord price action. What do you expect? I knew it. I called it the moment. I knew the moment I got stopped out. I said, this is going to blast off now. This had to tick shot me one last time before making its move. I knew it. And it did it. Exactly as I called it. Whew. We made a little bamboo off of it, but not much. Goodness gracious, pandas. I mean, we're at the top of the trading range. 5-minute chart. My target was basically top of the trading range. 20 EMAs probably going to be tested today. I think probably tested, most likely. I mean, if you give me a second entry long off the trend line and 20 EMA, I will try. Trust me, I will try it. I will try. If you test 20 EMA and trend line, and give me a second entry long, I will try it. I will try, pandas. If you give me double key areas right here, I will try. It is coming off a resistance, but we'll try, pandas, one time. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Stop limit orders, the bane of my existence. My goodness. My goodness. Should I still try? Ooh. I think I will. Wow. Wow. Oh. Cancel. Abort. I will try to reverse it. I will try to reverse it. Goodness gracious. I don't think it's going to go very far, though.
Target filled.
We'll take that. You got more for me? You got more for me? I don't think you got more for me, but if you do, I'm all for it. I don't think you got more for me, but if you do, I'm all for it.
Target filled.
Yeah, it's not. It's gonna rip up. It just bounced off the 20 EMA and 2500 tick chart perfectly. Now it's time to fly. Now we shall see you rise above the ashes. Now we shall see you rise above the ashes. Get ready, pandas, for the big one here. Failed trap. Let's see this rise if we can. And we're getting absolutely clobbered. Absolutely destroyed here. It is a downtrend. Should have definitely gone short. I thought I was reading this like a book. But really, the market was reading me like a book. All of that hard work just gone to waste. Oh my goodness. How annoying. Can we get something nice here for once? Goodness gracious. Heading back to the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Could just be a straight shot down to it. Why not? Can I just one time call it right? The 2500 tick chart showed like a spike down to it, bounced off of it. I was like, all right, we're going to bounce off now. We're going to keep going up. We're going to test the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I thought. But I thought wrong, pandas. I thought wrong big time. Goodness gracious. We just got smashed. I mean, we're back to break even. We're up we were up 400. Now we're back to break even. Jeez Louise. I can't win today. It's just a break even. It's just going to be an absolute break even day today. Look at the price action. Of course it's going to be a break even day today. Just look at this nonsense. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Disgusting. Lower highs, lower lows. How low can you go? How low can you go? Kind of breaking the pattern here, maybe. Lower highs, lower lows, but we shall see. I think I'm going to take one more trade today, Pandas. And I think I'm going to call it. Because today is just not a good EV day. It's just absolutely trash. It's trash can of a day. Trash Lord price action for sure. 1000%. Especially in the last 2 hours. It's been trash Lord price action. That's what the days usually are. Most of the days is trash Lord. Can we break the pattern? No more lower highs, lower lows. That was such a dumb trade. I don't know why I went long here. I do know why, but it was a dumb trade. I should not have gone long. I went long. I thought it was going to be a failed trap. We're going to smash back up because it didn't go very far. Okay, lower high again. Try to go short here. I don't feel good about this at all. I can hold, but I don't feel good about it at all. Yeah, it's starting to turn to trading range price action. It's going to be very choppy here. Very confusing.
Target
I'll take it
filled.
out. I don't feel comfortable. Yeah, it's starting to get very choppy. Very, like, overlapping here. Clear target at the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. But I'm just too scared. I'm just too scared. It's way too many or 11 bars in a row. Lo and behold, does hit. Gets very close to it. Doesn't actually hit it, though. Okay. Sorry. Couldn't hold. 10 points, too. $200. All right. I don't know. The 5-minute may want to make a wedge here before it really launches up. It wants 3 pushes down. Right now it has 2 pushes down. It might want 1 more push down before really reversing up. We do need to test a 20 EMA. Like, it's such a high probability we will test it. Okay. Okay, strong bull bar on high. I'm wondering if it wants a new low. I'm wondering, I'm not sure though. This is very confusing, right? Because we keep retracing. We're just coming right back into our retracements here. Jeez, this is tough. Like, I don't know if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. Tough to say the least. High or low? Should I start building a long position here? I don't know. I don't know if I want a new low here. I might want a new low here first. I do want to take one more trade today. I mean, we're pretty much break even today, so whatever. Am I in payout city? I'm in payout city in almost all my accounts. The bottom two, I need like $5 to get in payout city here. Okay. Maybe I think that answers my question. I think it wants a new low. Hard to go long now. Even if it goes up, it's hard to go long. Price action is absolute diarrhea. Doo-doo caca. I should have turned the charts off maybe an hour ago. Like, this is not good conditions to trade in. Truly terrible conditions to trade in. I guess I want a new low. Look at the 2500 tick chart. A strong bull bar, folded. Strong bull bar, folded. Strong bear bar, folded. Strong bull bars, folded. Strong bear bars, just reverses. Strong bear bar, folded here. That's like marquee of price action trading range. Trading range price action. Keep saying it backwards. Am I dyslexic, pandas? Am I dyslexic? No clue. Sitting on my pause though. If it is a trading range, we still have room to go down. Pandas, one more trade. I think we're close. We may be close to getting it. At least my patience is getting close to running out here. I'm going to go long here. Whoa, do I really want to go long? I don't know. Actually, a pretty good second entry short, to be honest. Coming off our trend line. Coming off our 20 MA. Good signal bar, too. Actually, good short here. Last trade of the stream. Thoughts and prayers. Gonna need them right now. Actually, a good short. Maybe I should just go short here. It's actually such a good short. And we have room to the bottom of the trading range. Good signal or good entry bar too. To go short. Yeah, we are going long. We're going long because it looked like a good short and it's failing. And now we're going to get crushed here, I believe. Oh, not even close. Not even close, pandas. Like within the same bar, I get stopped out. So sick. So sick. Within the same bar, I get stopped out. Within the same bar, I get stopped out. That's so sick. So sick. Why did I even try that? I thought this second entry short failed because it did fail. Except the trap, I thought we are gonna blast up to the upside, but the trap fails within the same bar. So sick. So sick. Still stuck in this triangle. I don't know what to make of this. One more try. I guess. Done deal. It's gonna smash to the downside, pretty sure. Triangle. Break into the downside here. Lots of room to go down. What do I want to do here? I want to go short. I still have a chance. Still have a chance to go short. Hesitating way too much here. Still had a chance to go short, but still did it. Yeah, that was the move. Whoo! Lots of traps inside that triangle. Goodness gracious, down 680. It's not the worst day in the world, to be honest. Can't read this market right now. Look at this. What we're dealing with here. Should have just sat on my pause when I was up 400. It's a lot of bearishness here. There's a lot of bearishness here. A lot of bearishness here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bars in a row. Lots of bearishness here. What is actually happening here? I have no clue. I feel like the 5-minute has more room to go down. All right, pandas. I think that's it. I'm really confused here. I'm not sure what's happening. Down 680. It's unfortunate. But it's okay. We're still on great pace here. And it's just difficult days like today. Like when the market starts to look like this for several hours. It's been about 3 hours been 2 full hours since we started to do this really bad price action. 2 hours worth of it, and our P&L is showing it right now. We're down 680, so I think that means I gotta call it and just call it a day and realize today's not a high EV day. You got to get away from the charts. Have an amazing rest of your weekend, everyone. Use code BBM for 90% off. Appreciate if you do. It supports this channel a lot. And it ends on the 5th, so You have until next Friday, I believe, until the promo ends. So take advantage of it while you still can. And pandas, with that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
$2,500 tick trap. 2500 tick trap.
Target filled.